Artificial intelligence is reshaping labour markets and economies and will have credit consequences for governments around the globe. The automation and augmentation of tasks could lead to greater productivity and economic growth. But that boost will vary greatly across sectors and occupations, as well as within and between advanced economies and emerging markets. Technological preparedness, demographics, high youth unemployment, gender gaps, and labour costs will all determine the impact. AI's effect on the labour market could be both profound and uneven, creating or aggravating wealth and income inequalities, at least temporarily. Governments' fiscal capacity will be key in determining the speed with which they can adopt AI and mitigate the negative consequences, and ultimately, the degree to which they can benefit.